Why most people study wrong and how to fix it in one afternoon. Hello, studying machine. Picture this. You're 3 hours into a study session. You've highlighted half your textbook in neon yellow. Your notes look like a beautiful work of art. And yet, if someone asked you to explain what you just studied, complete blank. Crickets, tumbleweeds rolling through your brain. Sound familiar? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of us have been studying like we're trying to paint the Mona Lisa when we should be training like we're preparing for battle. The issue? We confuse looking at information with learning it. Rereading chapters, making pretty notes, highlighting everything. It all feels productive. But your brain is basically watching Netflix in the background. No effort, no retention, no gains. The fix: how to actually study. Here's how to fix it in one afternoon, seriously. Step 1. Close the book. After reading a section, shut it and try to explain the concept out loud like you're teaching your dog, your plant, or an imaginary 5-year-old. Struggle to remember? Perfect. That struggle is your brain actually building connections. This is called active recall, and it's basically the bicep curl of studying. Step 2. Test yourself constantly. Ditch the highlighter. Instead, create practice questions as you go. Think of it like this. If studying were a video game, you wouldn't just watch someone else play. You'd grab the controller. Testing yourself is grabbing the controller. Step 3. Space it out. Cramming is like trying to water a plant with a fire hose once a month. Your brain needs consistent sips, not floods. Study a topic today, revisit it in 2 days, then a week later. This spacing effect turns short-term cramming into long-term mastery. So, here's your mission. Pick one subject. Spend this afternoon applying these 3 steps. Close the book, quiz yourself, and schedule your next review session. You'll feel the difference immediately, like you just discovered cheat codes for your brain. You're not just a student anymore, you're a learning machine. And hey, if you want more hacks to level up your study game and become the Jedi learner you were meant to be, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to Studying Machine, where we actually make studying fun. Now go crush it.